Welcome to the course. Welcome to my office. My name is Paul Tilley, and I'll be teaching HN 2130, which is recruitment and selection, this term. And I welcome you to the course, and thanks for being with us. I just wanted to go over a couple of things by way of introduction. First of all, this is a distance course, meaning that you're physically removed from me, but I don't want you to be that far away. I encourage you to email me, to work through email in the course, or email through paul.tilley@cna.nl.ca, or by telephone 709-466-6948 goes right to me. So, what is there to expect in a recruitment and selection course? Well, as you can gather, this course is about the business's role in finding and acquiring and screening and getting the right people for the right job. So what we'll be doing in this course is going through that sequence of finding people, finding the right people, putting the right people in the right jobs to maximize the benefits to a business. So that's the whole crux of what we'll be looking at in the course and what you want to achieve at it. You will notice that there are specific parts of the course, and those specific parts of the course and how those course parts are graded, you will find in our D2L site. So I invite you and I encourage you to constantly look at the site and look for updates and things like that I'll be sending out every once in a while. But just to make you familiar with it, I want you to go into the site and go into the course. And once you get in there, you'll notice that on the top left-hand side, you will see content, the word content. When you click content, it will give you a list of all of the learning items through the course. Most importantly, especially at the early stage, I would like you to take a look at the course information, and not only look at it, but to print it off, because you're going to be using that constantly through the course, and I want you to have a clear understanding of what's expected of you, what's graded, how it's graded, and the types of values associated with the various grading. First of all, if you look at the course outline, and I'll just open it up here in front of me, the course outline it gives you a basic overview of what the course is. Okay, so you'll notice there that we talk about the basic topics that's in the course, the textbook that you're using, and these sorts of things. Make sure you take a look at that. The course evaluation section looks at how the course is evaluated. You'll see that this course has projects. Make sure you're familiar with that, and exams. So we want to be able to use our projects wisely in terms of time management, and for the exams you want to know exactly what's going to be tested and when. So, and I've laid that out there for you in that course evaluation. Probably the most critical and important page for you to print as well as understand is the course schedule. And the course schedule for winter 2012 is there, and you'll see it broken into two columns. The first column kind of outlines the things by week, and we have broken it down into 13 weeks. And associated with that on the right-hand side are the items that are due in that week. And you'll notice at the very top I say, please note that all post discussions questions are due at the end of the respective week. So if you're dealing with week 1, the things that I've indicated in week 1 are the things that are due. Now it's important too that you look at it and say, okay, when exactly is it due? It's due when the week is over. And what I mean by the week is over is the Monday after is fine, because I'll download it then at that point in time. So I want you to make sure you go in and print that off and study it and know exactly what's due, when it's due, what's expected of you, and how much those things are valued at the end of the day. Otherwise, I think that you will find this an enjoyable course. It follows a nice process. The textbooks that we're using for it are quite easy reads. And don't forget my role here. My role, even though, as I say, I'm at a distance, but I don't want to be distant from you. You can easily contact me. If you should get a response back in the course within the day. If you don't get it within the day, email me, because I could be out of the office or anything like that, and I have much easier access to my email than I do the course. Also, please, if you have a question